5 tips on how to use video for your business. In this video, we're going to discuss why video is important, what you first need to work out before you use video, and then the 5 tips on how to use video for your business. Hold on to the end, as we have a bonus neat new video idea you can use that you may not have heard of before. Hi, my name is Tanya. I have created these videos for my clients and other businesses to help with common questions and give tips and hints around business videos. Let's get started. If you have any suggestions on what you would like me to make a video on, or any other tips you would like to share with the community, or if you have any questions, please comment below. Videos everywhere now, from business Zoom meetings to quick video selfies to the professional videos that really showcase your business and help it stand out from the pack. Statistics show that if you use the word video in an email subject line, it is 3 times as likely to be open. Customers prefer video. Retention of information is stronger from video. The targeting you can do through social media is more specific and effective. Gone are the days of TV advertising, as social media advertising is more accessible to more people. Social media programs like Facebook promote videos in their algorithms. Posts and ads with video are at the top of the pack. There is a strong push to use video now. You can either produce your own or use a company like mine to create your videos. Videos give the 3D approach, where a walkthrough creates certainty of what a place looks like. Having the owners or staff on screen creates trust, as customers see the people are real. So how do you start? Firstly, you need to work out what your goals are. Is it to increase sales, brand awareness, give more information, find new customers, showcase a new product, congratulate a staff member, share an event, produce staff training, or teach your customers on how to use their product effectively? The options are endless, but the purpose needs to be defined. What is your target audience? This is important for where you want to post and/or advertise, and how the video should look and feel. Then you're on to our 5 tips on how to use video in your business. So where does your new video go? Number 1, so what we recommend our clients to use is YouTube at the very least. Most websites link to YouTube, and this is a good starting place as the length can be longer. YouTube is the biggest place where all videos end up, and it's free. You can use this video on YouTube as your base and edit for different platforms. Number 2, you can use social media to post your video. The likes of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and TikTok. These are free and show the business is active and there is a presence. Regular posting is great to keep the page engaging, depending on the business and platform. Number 3, use your video in paid social media advertising. Depending on your goals, are you aiming for the business executive or the mother who needs a pick-me-up with a little self-care? The business executive may be more focused in LinkedIn, and the mother may be more in tune with Facebook. The young teen may spend more time on TikTok. In saying that, trends change, and it's worth trying different platforms, as the cost for advertising is minimal for each, and you can allow for a bit of experimentation to see what works. Don't forget to use your video to advertise on Google and YouTube, as they both have ad spend available. Just remember, keep it short. Apply the KISS theory. Keep it simple, stupid, and have it in the right format. The dimensions and requirements are different for each. Number 4, use video in emails. Pop in a thumbnail and link to your YouTube video. We'll have a video on how to do that soon on our channel. It's especially good for an email database that you contact on a regular basis. It is a very targeted and effective way to keep in contact with clients past and future. These emails can be to introduce a new service or product, keep customers and clients up to date with changes on how to use a product or staff changes, in a visual and unique way many businesses are not taking advantage of, and helps you to stand out from your competitors. Show you care and share your expertise to give your clients top service. Number 5, use a video for your business to confirm appointments. Hello Gina, thank you for your booking on Facebook. This is to confirm I have you locked in for Thursday at 10 a.m. You can use a smartphone to do this while you're out and about. Send it to a mobile number, an email or a messenger. Use a personalized video with a person's name to confirm the details, date, time and location and the subject. Make new customers feel more personally responsible for the appointment. It shows the effort you've gone to confirm. Have a quick script and keep it short. Using a teleprompter really helps. There are many paid and free apps available. I have an app I use in the description below. Last but not least, the bonus tip I promised you. The new way to use video for business is a virtual video business card. With COVID-19 always on everyone's mind, it is better to use your phone and a QR code rather than physically handing over a business card. It is also more environmentally friendly, handy for you personally when you forget your business cards, and a great way to have less clutter as all the information is stored on your phone. The virtual video business card has a video of yourself showcasing your skills and talking directly to your potential clients. I will have a step-by-step video on how to make a video business card on our YouTube channel shortly. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified. These are just a few uses for your business videos. Let us know if you have any other uses you have found. Good luck and see you soon.